Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add custom text color in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to add custom text color. At first, select a text. Now I am click inside the text box and select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Now you want to add custom text color, go to the home menu and select the font color drop down menu. Now I am go to the more color option, then select the custom. We can see here many color. You want to choose any custom color. Now I am select the color and click OK. Now we can see we make a custom color very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.